What such man they know? Yeah, that one away a boss. So that big face boy they know where all I know hype up but oh. His song I go farther than Teejay song. You see who know as Jamaican? You know quick for sell out. You know love sweets. Somehow you love sweets. I'm watching all the while. That's why I'm in the business. I don't support somehow because I don't support way. See? But big up all my supporters them. You see me? Big up man thing. I'm just a laugh man. I'm just a laugh and I watch on the man. You see me?
Where was
it? Yeah, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. May I be gonna like, share, subscribe on that video here. And when you don't see Wagwan, Teejay touch the internet mad this morning. Cause the man wake up and see a message say him at the new face of dancehall. So the man just catch back some vibe, and I remember when people did size him up against some people what him not considered as relevant. You understand? But I have the video here, some people, so we're gonna check it out. Before we do that, we're gonna check out that music video here, Money for Love, from Mega, my people. And tell me anything about it. That tune here buzz, my people.
I don't pay with no money around, so next thing me deal with, just understand that, baby.
Remember you tell me say, this a forever, this a destiny. Hey boy, you better left me, man.
Baby, remember you tell me, this a real love, I never fit defend it. Love gone from the money stop flow, me realize from me can't buy you something trendy.
Yeah, my people. Big bad video from Mega. I'm the link there in the description. You can go check out them YouTube channel and tell me what you think about that tune here. Make you know what going on in the comment section, my people. Make you get it active. You understand? Big bad tune. Big up yourself, Mega. Anywhere you're there. Alright, my people. So you don't know we're gonna jump in at the big bad story for you right now with Teejay. I deal with Byron Messia. Brawling this morning, my people. So, when you check it out, let me know what you think. May I go take the time frame for say, pick up yourself, Teejay. You wake up and get some big news. New face of dancehall. Mad thing, my general. You understand? And me are one of the people them who did actually believe in you, still believe in you. So make we have a drink, my boss. You understand? Big up on yourself. Yo, my people are right here, so we're gonna jump off, you know. So you don't know me, I'll be gonna just continue like, share, subscribe on my videos, people. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Them say poor man never sleep so late, but me just awake. Yo. Jado, just get a wonderful news, say. Teejay face is the new face of dancehall. What a feeling, Rosie. Just wait, but there's a bottle of champagne to make us celebrate. Me killer them, listen to me. Other day, me say a thing, hold on. Me just awake, all my time here. But wait for the slow matter for this. Wait. Here I say. Zin, me have something for address. If I say where I go, I adjust. Adjust, me adjust something now. You know, other day I say me drop 2 remix and I say my own people them from Jamaica say, oh, as somebody know say such man song I go reach farther than fame. I say, oh no. I say all I wanna believe in a Teejay career. Big up on yourself. You see, all I will big up in a Teejay career, we need to have a drink. We don't need to text me, place them, we need to have a drink, celebrate this thing. And I say, all I want to believe in my career can stay out the door and watch, but big up on yourself, same way. I have something for go no same way. Don't worry on yourself because I'm a kind person, I'm a good-hearted person. See? So you see, who don't believe in my career? We come from Jamaica, we are Jamaican. Big up on yourself, same way, man. They are watching and I laugh, man. What such man they know? Yeah, that one away a boss. So that big face boy they know where all I know hype up but oh. His song I go farther than Teejay song. You see who know as Jamaican? You know quick for sell out. You know love sweets. Somehow you know love sweets. I'm watching all the while. That's why I'm in the business. I don't support somehow because I don't support way. See? But big up all our supporters them. You see me? Big up man thing, I'm just a laugh, man, I'm just a laugh and I watch on a man. You see me? Big up man thing. Don't compare me with nobody.
Never you do that.
Never you will do that. UTC, I do this for a long time. Remember, good no man from UpTop boss. Trying to go around, me think, trying to go around, me think you will pay for learn youth. From when I laugh with people, I then sang the put where I road. You see me, I will never give up from them the time there. You see me? I'm just going to come and compare with how much people. But guess what go on? We are the new face of dancehall same way, and we not stop represent dancehall. All of who we do dancehall, we love them same way. I love, I respect, I honor. You get me? I say to each and every individual who do dancehall. And I promise myself, say 2024, I go for say 2014 a while ago, you know? Yes, but I say 2024 is a year of wonderful music and is a year of making some money. Because the youth them are growing now and the youth them are turn big man, so we have to know what we do. We have to set some examples for them, you know. You see me I say? So, you are going. I say for the new year, I'm not even going to compare myself in a dancehall to nobody. You get me? We just are going to do music, me G them. You get me I say? Yeah, we just are going to do music now, man. Big man thing. But compare me with any dancehall artist. Just don't compare me with a fat face, pig face boy. You get me I say? Yeah. And my album, my EP link for my EP, I drop next week. I will outside, I go do some promo, I do free promo, I do meet and greet, I do pop-up party. So if you feel like Teejay, if you come do some promo at your place, at your club, just text management. As me I say, big man thing. Yo, you don't know we're not responsible already, you don't know we're not business, we just talk it truth. You see me? Yeah man, I don't mix it with any dancehall artist, but you want them, we born and grow Jamaica and grow Jamaica. Don't mix it with no fat face, pig face boy. When I born and grow Jamaica and I do music from the heart for Jamaica. You get me? Some boy a culture vulture, some boy a wagonist. You get me? I say, big woman thing, G. Yeah man, go and big up on yourself, man. That is it.